What is the electron arrangement for aluminum? For the purpose of this question, we need to understand the s and the p orbitals of the periodic table. So the s orbitals contain groups 1a and 2a, which is 1a and 2a. For the p orbitals, it contains group 3a through 8a, which is all of these right here. The only exception is helium. Helium would be considered in the s orbital to fulfill the 2 electron requirements. So for aluminum, we start by reading the periodic table from left to right. So we first start with hydrogen, which is 1s1. And then we move on to helium, which is 1s2. Now we just have to put the last part, be 1s2. Now we move on to period 2. Since we passed lithium and beryllium, they account for the 2 electrons that fill the second s orbital. So all we have to put is 2s2. Then we continue to the p orbital in the second period. Boron would be considered 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5, and 2p6. And again, we just have to put the last one, which is 2p6. Now we move on to period 3. Since we passed sodium and magnesium, we fulfill again the 2 valence electron requirements for the s orbital. So we would put 3s2. And now we move on to the 3p orbital. Now, aluminum is 3p1. And since we don't need to go further, we would just stop at 3p1. The other ones are excluded because we do not need to complete the orbital. We just stop at aluminum. And that is the electron configuration for aluminum.